So this is a 4-bedroom duplex here in MOBIL Road, AJAH, Lagos. It has a separate compound, see the gate, and then see the property itself with a compound space and a boys' quarter behind a garage and a powerhouse, I mean to say. So this is the property itself. See the compound space can do more than up to 5 cars. And then we move inside. Is a door. Enter the ante room. This is the ante room with modern POP and the tiles with modern windows, AC, and then this is the visitors' toilet. Then we move into the sitting room. Wow, this is fantastic. You can see that space. You can see that space. Wow, massive with AC. Woo, and POP. And then here is the modern kitchen. You will love it, right? This is beautiful. The modern POP with AC, and then the heat extractor and gas. Yeah, and then the cabinets there from inside, then up to this point, and space for the freezer. Then we move up. Okay, so the kitchen is downstairs, and then this is the walkway, the staircase, and see the terrazzo, the marble tiles. And then we move on. The rails, very strong rails. And here is the living room upstairs. You can see it. It's also very spacious, neat. And then we step into the master's bedroom. This is really master's indeed. This is master's indeed. And the AC, see the POP, and the master's wardrobe. Then this is the master's bedroom. You can see that jacuzzi with the wells, man, and the water heater, the walk-in shower. This is fantastic. And then this is the view of the mini estate. You can see the view. The view is also fantastic with the compound space. Wow. We move in, and then let's check out the remaining 3 rooms. Here is the second room. Also, all the rooms are ensuite. You can see it. The rooms are all ensuite and spacious with the wardrobe. And then here is the walk-in shower with mirror and toilet over here with water heater. And then we move on to the 3rd room. Here is the 3rd room. Here is the 3rd room. Here is the 3rd room with AC. All the rooms have an air conditioned. Here, and then here is the walk-in shower with the toilet and water heater and mirror. And then the last room, we move into the last room, the children's or visitors room. Oh, you can see it. All the rooms are spacious. All the rooms can do 6x6 bed, and they are double ventilated. So this is the wardrobe with AC, and then These are the toilet ways and the water heater up here. Thank you for watching. See you lucky tenants. Bye.